Hi guys, again. Now we are camera ready, so hi again. So I need to welcome you all for all this demos that we are going on having back to back, and you people have been waiting and coming in to see all the artists who have come here to show you free demos of things. So today Subhashini has is doing a tart. What is it, Subhashini? A
Cream
tart,
tart.
a cream tart. So she is doing a cream tart, and she will be showing you the entire process from scratch. She will be sharing her recipe. She will be she will show you how to decorate it, and then it's up to you how you go about it. And there are various ways of decorating it, so you can go ahead and do it later at your, go see, use your creativity. She will show some of the ways of, some techniques you will share, and you will show them the options
I'll do.
also what they can do, and then you can play with it as you feel like. She's a very talented baker, and she's teaching. She's been taking workshops, and I don't know if you have seen the latest one that she's done is the standing heart cake, which she did at Preeti Khullar's place, Preeti Khullar Manchanda's Ecology Culinary. And I think before that you had done a cookie one also with them earlier. Am I right?
Yeah.
And
Now gluten
she's
free.
into various things. She does mainly. I think what she promotes herself more, I think, on is cookies, along with of course fondant, decorative cakes. Of course, that is there. Most of the bakers who are of any caliber are mostly firstly doing fondant cakes, mastering it, and then they are going into various other lines beyond that. So please welcome, give a big round of applause
Thank you.
to Subhashini. She has specially come here for our stall and to share her own recipe, which obviously she can take money, she can take float classes, and she can make a lot of money. She's here doing a free demo, sharing her recipe. It's a very selfless gesture, very generous of her to do that. Thank you so much, Subhashini, for doing it for us
Thank you. My
and
pleasure.
doing it for the audience here. You can record, you can write down, you can do whatever, take pictures, go live. There is no problem.
Okay.
Over to you.
Yeah. Thank you, Hema. It is really a privilege and an honor to be a part of the Fab team. Okay, the cream tart that it is called, there are actually a lot of names for this thing that we are going to do today. Some people call it cookie tart, some call it cream tart. It's also called the number tart. If you have seen, there are a lot of people making numbers and letters with these tarts, right? But a lot of people are doing cakes with it. Not many people do the real thing, the real authentic thing. When it started, it was started by a lady. She's an Israeli home baker, she is, right? And she started doing with the cookie thing. She started with the cookie thing, but later on, people started making twist to it. There were a lot of twists to the original idea, and people started doing not only cookies the way she had done, but they started doing red velvet, chocolate, and they all people are also doing Rice Krispie treats. So there's a lot of variations, and the original idea has changed a lot, and it has taken a very unique form nowadays. Okay, so coming to the unique part of it, let's talk about the cookie dough that we are going to do today. Now, cookie dough, a lot of people are doing cookie dough with the normal sugar cookie that you make. Everyone does normal sugar cookies, right? So people do the sugar cookies, they do the chocolate sugar cookies. People do the sugar tart dough for the same cream tart. But today we are going to do a honey sabli. Okay, now this is not something new. This recipe has been adapted from a few other people, from a Russian blog it has actually come from, and we have done a few changes to it as per our taste. And this recipe especially I like because of the texture that we are going to get out of it. Because we are using honey, and the method of the preparation is going to give a very different kind of a texture to the tart. Okay, so let's begin now. भैया ये First of all, for the dough, we are going to cook a few things over here. Okay, so I've got one egg, which I'm going to break. Just a minute. Call Ritu na. So I have taken one egg over here. Stir it a little, add all the rest of the ingredients which we need for the dough. Very simple recipe. I'm going to add the butter. This butter is 50 grams. So I've put one egg in over here. Now I've added the butter. I'm going to put 42 grams of honey in it. That is 1/4 ka half of 1/4 cup. Okay. 180. Here I am preheating the oven at 180. छोटे छोटे से प्रोसेसेस हैं, 2-3 हैं, बट क्विक है. So I've put the honey. I'm going to put the sugar. So all together. Sugar is 78 grams. एक minute. No need. I don't need a timer. So I'm going to heat it all together. You can also add a pinch of salt. I don't have here, but a pinch of salt would be good, right? So you keep stirring it and you make sure that your egg doesn't boil, right? It should be simmering, but it should not boil. You keep stirring it till the butter. I think this is almost done. As you can see, the butter is dissolved and the sugar is mixed, right? So we put it off. So now I'm going to put some apricot, the one that we are introducing today. Just a few drops. These are oil soluble, so you do not put much. You can also put, if you have got the normal vanilla essence, then you put half teaspoon or maybe less. Bring it down from the gas. You add the essence and then you add the baking soda and the baking powder while it's still very hot. So I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of each. Okay. Okay. So I'm mixing this और ये थोड़ा सा frothy हो जाएगा क्योंकि हमने इसमें सोडा और बेकिंग पाउडर डाला है. So you mix it really well. And then we leave it aside to cool down a little before we knead the dough. Till the time this is थोड़ा सा दूर कर दे गरम है. So till the time this is going to cool a little, we will do the frosting, right? Now for the frosting today we are doing white chocolate ganache with cream cheese, right? So to make this, you have to make sure कि आपका जो cream cheese है वो room temperature पर हो. I had taken this out half an hour before. Cream cheese आपका room temperature पे होना चाहिए और आपका जो white chocolate ganache है वो chilled होगा. ठीक है? Britannia cream cheese is really good. I did not have it. This is mousse. Yeah. So you can use either. This is 150 grams. So just beat it enough so that it gets mixed. And around Really nice. It should be nice and chilled. This should be good. Just a few drops.
What is the quantity of white ganache and cream cheese?
Hard is it?
See, it's not very hard. I'll show you. I'll show you. Wait. This is a beautiful dough. So I need this because
Where else can you use this dough apart from this?
कुकीज़ बना लो इसकी. हाँ, कुकीज़ बना लो. It's a honey cookie basically. हमने honey डाला है. इसकी वजह से have you seen a cookie dough का texture कभी ऐसे? See, it's so pliable. Normally, either on this or you can. The best would be if you work straight away on the parchment paper. Work straight on the parchment paper. Parchment paper को उठाया और सीधे oven में डाल दिया. That is another way to work with it, right? So. And when you roll it, it's very, very easy. See, so easy to use. Varna cookie doughs are very difficult. This is the texture because of the honey that we have used and because we have cooked honey with anda and all. So it's given it that elasticity, it's given to it.
Does this happen in
So this is what we want. Yeah. So this is what we want, right? I cut it over here. Center dekho. And when I'm doing two together, so I'm going to do this like this. Remove the extra part and just pick it and put it in the oven. So easy, right? I'll be doing only one right now. Okay, and this goes in the oven at 180 degrees for 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, but I don't know if this is ready. It wasn't even on. हो गया है? Put half of the maida in this. Half of it. Just move. Half I'm going to put here. It's little warm अभी. Warm नहीं होना चाहिए. So it might be more sticky for me. So easy. This is done. I'm going to put it in a cling wrap and keep it at least for an hour.
You
Now, when your cookie is ready, how do you know your cookie is ready? Generally, it starts to get brown on the sides, right? Uh, if you see this, पीछे से ऐसा होना चाहिए. It should be a little good brown from behind. So I've got over here some apricot preserve. ठीक है? So any jam, any preserve apricot, I'm taking here. हाँ. Looking good. Put this. Now I take out my cream. Yeah, sure. So this should be chilled. After the preserve, I start piping it.
Isn't the oil in a sense is the same? They're oil-based essence.
See? So you don't need to prick it also. So, mask. So with the ganache, it goes very well and it balances the taste. Okay. So now,
We can keep this in the fridge.
I'm going to keep this on top of it.
No, after preparing this, before serving or something, or if you want to store it, then you should always keep in the fridge.
This thing, yeah. This will taste best after 1 hour. Okay? The flavors. Yes, you keep it in the fridge. This dough will not get soggy. The cookie will not get soggy. It will become soft. Tomorrow also if you have it, it will be soft like a cake, how you cut a cake. But it will not get soggy like any other cookie if you put it on, right? So that's the beauty of this dough. Because of honey and because of the way we cooked it. So the dough has taken that kind of a texture. Flowers or something which is not edible, please make sure that you cover it with a foil below so that when it touches the food, it doesn't get contaminated. Okay? इसका stock थोड़ा बड़ा है.
But this is best eaten chilled, no?
It is, yes. It's best eaten chilled. Abhi you may not get that good flavor. So I'm putting the flowers first. So you can play around with a lot of things depending on the flavor that you're doing. If you're doing the strawberry thing, you put a lot of strawberries, preserve, strawberry ke, fresh strawberry, you know. So I've made F for Fab because we are all here for Fab. So I'm glad you liked it. Yeah? Which one? Good. I'm glad you liked it. So call Hema. I think she was saying hum kaatenge and we'll do. Call Hema. My pleasure. I loved having you over. Definitely. Paka paka. Sorry? Fab is fabulous and I love it.
चलिए पुल
सब आ रहे हैं आओ